So this is some carrots and a calabash just jumped in the middle. But they're fine. They're doing good on this windy Sunday morning. They're doing good. Yeah. Good morning, family. This is Linda. It is a very cold and windy Thursday morning, and I'm out here in my garden just checking on my vegetables just to see how everything is doing out here. Yeah, but I hope you all had a wonderful night last night. But it is so chilly out here, y'all. But I'm gonna check these vegetables. Yeah, we are looking for some rain to be here tonight and tomorrow, but it's all well. Seems like everyone is doing really good out here. But listen, I stopped by this morning because I wanted to share some things with you all. I had an email from a young lady that says she heard me say that I should not compare our vegetables to the vegetables in the stores. So she said, well, Miss Linda, if I don't compare my vegetables to the vegetables in the stores, how would I know how vegetables look? So listen, family, one thing I want you to know about vegetables that we purchase in the stores, these vegetables are bred to be all uniformed, right? They are bred this way so they can have this long shelf life. They're harvested way before their peak, long before their peak. They are harvested, right? If you are growing organically, your vegetables will not look like the ones in the stores. The store's vegetables are very big, very big. But one thing I want you to know is that if you are growing organically, pay attention to your vegetables. And listen, on Sunday Live, my next Sunday Live, I will be talking more about how we should not compare our vegetables to the vegetables in the stores. And how do we know? Okay, I'm going to share that with you, I promise. But no, I don't compare my vegetables to the ones in the store because I can tell. Vegetables that's grown in the stores are huge. Yeah, we have similarities to the vegetables in the stores, right? But I'm going to share just how you will know when vegetables are grown with pesticides and chemicals, and how you will know when they are grown organically. We will talk about it, yes. Many of us is also thinking about how we can improve our 2025 garden from last year by having a new layout, or maybe should we get drip irrigation, right? But many questions we're asking ourselves how we can improve our garden this year, right? I'm going to be sharing many ways that we can improve our garden and how we can just get ourselves ready maybe for potential challenges in our garden this 2025 season. So join me on January 12th at 7 Central Time here. We're going to talk about it, baby. Hello, everyone. It is cold out here. It is about maybe 4 o'clock in the evening on, today is Monday. And I am going to harvest a lot of these butterfly pea pods. Yeah. I want to get a lot of them in, not because of the cold, family, because, they're going to be all right. They're going to be all right. So here's some of them here. I've been harvesting every day. I think yesterday I harvested about 40 of the pods. And I'm just trying to get them so I can send a lot out to you all. I'm trying to get it together, baby. Okay. I'm just trying to get them. I want to make sure that when you drop these beans, that they will germinate, right? And sometimes when you are saving seeds, you want to make sure that your seeds are going to germinate, right? So what I know about the butterfly pea seeds and the moringa seeds is that when I allow them to stay on the plant until they are this khaki brown, the seeds are viable. And when you drop them, they will germinate. It's nothing like dropping a seed and the seed don't germinate because the seeds are not viable, right? So before I send them to you, I want to make sure that they are right? I want to make sure, baby. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking my time and let nature take its course, right? We're going to get these beans when they're ready. So as you can see, a lot of them are still green, but there are a lot every day turning that pretty khaki brown. A lot of them is in this bed, y'all. A lot of them is in this bed. Look at that. I'm going to have to really sift this soil, right? And make sure I get a lot of them. But I'm going to miss a lot. And a lot of butterfly pea plants is going to be popping up in here, I know. But anyway, let me get these beans. I'll share with you what I get after I'm finished because it's cold out here, y'all. It's cold. All right, family. So this is what I got. So Jada asked me, she says, well, Mimi, they're not turning, all of them is not turning at the same time, and they don't. She said, does the heat and the sun play a role in them getting brown? And it does. The more heat, the more sun, yes, it will turn these beans khaki faster. But if you don't have the sun, like we don't have today, if you don't have the heat, like we don't have today, just like any other vegetable when they are producing their seed, the most important thing is that they get the time they need to stay on the plant, and it will happen. So time plays a huge role on getting valuable seeds from your plants. All right, family, I'm going inside, y'all. It is around 39, 38 degrees right now. Yeah. Oh, Lord. This is a cardone plant. This plant is the first cousin of the artichoke. Many people get her confused with artichoke if they see her. Many places that I know, even farmers markets, do not sell cardones. Now, I grew this plant in 2019. This is my front yard. I dropped this seed. Now, I put her in the front yard because I did not know the behaviors and I did not know anything about the cardone in my garden. Of course, I did my research on her, but I wanted to know about the cardone myself. Now, the cardone and the artichokes are first cousins, but the cardone makes the cones just like a artichoke, but you do not eat those. This cardone is also a relative to a sunflower and a thistle. So what you eat on the cardone is those stalks that look like celery right there, her leaves. And I did harvest some of her stalks, cook them, and they taste like artichoke. So today it's Tuesday morning. Ooh. Listen, family, it's beautiful and it's bright out here. The sun is doing her thing. She's here. And here's my coffee I'm drinking. This is a cup that was sent to me by my niece Cheryl and Chris over there back to our Roots Homestead. She said, I'm too blessed to be stressed. Beautiful cup. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, baby. Well, it's filled with my coffee. Well, half filled with my coffee. But I wanted to just stop out here for a little bit, just to take a look at the vegetables. But everything is doing great. We had a very, very cold night last night, of course. As a matter of fact, right now, it's about 39 degrees right now. The beautiful thing is my flowers are still blooming. You know, nothing stops nature. Nothing. It's not going to stop them from doing their thing. They just going to do it. They just going to do it. But I will share with you just some of the flowers that is blooming in all of this cold weather. So this is let me see, can I get a little closer to it so you can see it? Calendula. And in Britain, they call this calendula. Yeah, calendula. But I call it calendula, right? Everybody got their thing. But anyway, they are doing great. And as you can see, baby, they are blooming out here. Let me share more with you. This is my sunflower. She's blooming. Yeah, she's doing great. It's cold out here, but she's still doing it, y'all. She's still doing it. Yeah. And really, family, nothing will stop my zennas. Nothing. This weather will not stop these zennas. They gonna keep on rolling. Yes. This is more zennas in beds with brassicas and carrots. Yeah, baby. They all in there. They all in there. This is the angel trumpets. Some of them are going in because they've done their thing. Some of them are coming up. There's more coming up. Yeah. Purple angel trumpets, y'all. That's them. And these beautiful flowers are salvias. These are the purple salvias. That's what this is. They are gorgeous. Nothing stops them. They are sitting at the foot of the moringa tree. Yeah. And this is another flower from my elephant ears. One went in, another one coming up. Yep, the elephant ear still giving her flowers. Yeah, it's an alocasia. It's an alocasia flower. Yeah, that's her. So they are doing well. So far, so good. We still have a few more days of this cold weather, but they are doing good. Yeah. So I'm over here by my by my plantains, and I want to share the youngest plantain, and that is it right there. Whoa. She's doing good though, we'll see, because these plantains do not like this cold weather. No. So we'll see what she does, but she's making her racks and they are nice and healthy. See, can I get close in there so you can see them? They are nice and healthy in there, but we'll see what happens. She have a real thick stem. She's really healthy, but we'll see what happens. But that's her today. On Monday, what the day is, the 7th? Yeah. Oof, it's cold, y'all. Jody and her family invited me out to dinner with them. And this is how my grandkids greet each other when they see each other. I thought it was very cool. But here is my son-in-law, Keith. And of course, you all know Jada. Yeah, Jada was so into that menu, right? This is my grandson's wife, Charmaine. And of course, that's my oldest grandson, Joshua. Yeah, they figured out what they gonna eat, baby, because everybody is hungry. And this is my youngest grandson, Jaden. That's Jaden, y'all. And here I was telling Jada, you have a star on your face. She said, yeah, I have a star. She said, but Mimi, it's not just a star. So this is what she told me it is. Say it again.
A star patch.
Okay. And it's on your nose? Yeah, so this is my family. We had a great night. It was wonderful. Later, y'all.